All right, finally get a nice enough day where I can open the garage door. It's only about 3 Celsius. It's supposed to go up to about 7 today, and it's sunny at least. Sun makes a big difference. Snow is starting to melt. We're already April 11th today. Holy cow. Anyways, we got 4 feet of snow out there, but regardless of which, so Mark, No Stuck Marc dropped by the other day, and he gave me this. I'm going to read it up there. Pickup tailgate assist kit. This is, he bought one, and it was cheap enough he bought 2, so he gave it to me for my birthday. Thank you, Mark. Very much appreciated. So what's in there is tools and brackets and this little arm. I can't remember what they're called. It's just a, you know what I'm talking about. Anyways, so that goes in here somewhere. I'm not sure exactly where, something like that. And then when you put your tailgate down, it pulls out slowly, and when you pull it up, it goes up slowly. It doesn't go up by itself, but it doesn't slam down, which is the big thing. So we're gonna give that a try, put that on today, hopefully, if I can figure out the instructions. Like I said, it comes with a couple brackets and thread lock and pins and an Allen wrench and a user manual. User manual, OMT is Orion Motor Tech. I've never heard of them, but tells you what's in the kit, and sort of hard to see those little black and white photos, but we might be able to figure it out. So this year, with the lack of videos that I have to show for the long winter, I'm running out. This will be probably the last one for a little bit anyways. I'm just starting to get back into where I can do stuff with my ribs. They still hurt, but I can at least do stuff. A couple brackets here. So anyways, I got a couple little ventures planned this year, but nothing spectacular. I got some stuff that I'm going to be doing around the house, as in outside on the property. So that might take up most of my time, and I'll do a couple videos on it, but if they don't, if I'm not getting the views that I think I should be getting, then it's more of a waste of time than anything. Don't get me wrong, I like making the videos for you guys, but it's time consuming and money consuming. So anyways, all right, so I got a 2011 Chevy Silverado. So apparently there's already a hole in there. So that'll go in like that. And that'll line up with that hole. And then this little expansion bolt will go in there, and you tighten it up and it expands and it holds. And then you got a bolt mount. So that's kind of cool. That's fairly simple. Yeah, from what I understand on the other part is that you just got to take out this tailgate bolt. You just pull that out, take the weight off the tailgate, and you slide it to the hole here, and it comes off. Take the bolt out, put that on, put the bolt back on, tighten it up, and then there's your other mount. So you'll have 2 mounts. One from down here and one from up here. So since I have all my stuff set up on the tailgate as a work platform, we're just going to screw that out instead. Might clean that up a little bit in my rusty truck. Just going to use some rubbing alcohol, since that's what I got kicking around. Now, it's kind of oblong. I'm assuming it goes that way, so see if we can hook this back in. Lift the gate a little bit. Get it started. And that's one done. Okay, so this is just if you have to use this as a mount. It's got little ball bearing rollers in there, so this would all roll. But they give you an extra screw that is not long enough for that to work. With the thickness of that, I might just grab it. I think I can find something better. What I do have is a stainless button head, or whatever you call it, pan head. That should be fine. That's not going to rub on anything. Works for me. That goes in like so. That goes in there. And that'll go in and then spread out that bolt, and then we'll come out, or nut, or whatever it is, expansion nut. I got a number 3 driver bit. And I broke my number 3 driver bit. That stainless steel is hard. Okay, so that's tight. Where does this thing go on? I go think the fat end goes at the top. So these are already greased. Got a little bit of grease in the head. These are just clip-on. You can pop these clips off to pull it out later if you need to. So in theory, push that on, pull it down, maybe. Pretty stiff. I guess that's the whole idea of it, eh? All right, that's on, that's on. There's lots of clearance there. There's almost a 1/4 inch there. I forgot to mention that's a 13 mil bolt. So now the tailgate should go up nice, and it should just go down real nice. Look at that. Woohoo! I see where it's hitting a little bit with the cable hits it a bit, but not by much. Look at that. Thank you very much, Mark. Looks good. Easy, quick job, done.